Hello everyone, my name is Ernie. Today I'm gonna show you how to make ROI or region of interest in the Google engines. Today I will explain three ways how to make ROI in the Google Earth engines. First, you can use these tools. So if you need rectangle tools, just draw your ROI here and make it map at layer. Your, for example, I will change it with ROI, and to make it as a center object, just write the code map dot center object ROI and then run it. So your ROI will be showing here in your map. And the second ways is you can use data from FAO administrative boundary. So FAO provide for us three level here: uh, zero level, first level, and second level. For zero level is for country boundaries, and first level is for province boundaries or administrative boundaries, and the second level is for district or city administrative unit. Okay, let's try it. Import it first. I will change the name with the country. So just map dot add layer here. Okay, first you need to make a variable. I will use my country Indonesia dot copy your dataset here and filter bounds with your geometry. For example, I will put my geometry here and give the name as a Indonesia and make it as a center object and then run it. So here you will find the country boundary. So if you need a country boundary, you can use this way. But if you need for a province boundary, okay, I will show you. Just go to the first level, import it. I will change the name to province. And then make a variable too. Okay, here make a West Java for province. You take the data, the first level boundary, filter bounds with your geometry here, and make to your layer and run it. So you will find here two layer. One is for Indonesia boundary. can unchecklist it. And second layer is for province boundary, or here is West Java province. And then how to make a city or district administrative boundary. Just go to second level here, import it, and to make it different, I will change the name with city, the dataset with city, and then just make a new variable. Use the city or the dataset with the level 2 here, city, and filter bounds with your ROI and add two layers and make it as center object. Just run it. So in the site you will find there's three layers here. First layers is the city layers or Bandung city. Or if you want to see, maybe I can show you from the Indonesia boundary here. And the second layers uncheck is for the province boundary, and the third layer is for province boundary. Oh, sorry, city boundary or district boundary. That's the second way how to make ROI in the Google engine. And the third way is we can upload from the here from asset menu here. And how to upload it, I will show to you. Okay, just go to assets and click menu, click new, and here there is three type of data you can upload. First is geotype, second is you can use SAP files, or you can use CSV files. So here's I will show you how to upload from the SAP files menu. Just go here and select your source files. Here's I will use my city, Bandung city. Open it, and here's and keep kota Bandung satu, and then to ya, upload it. Here we will wait, need a little times to upload it. Okay, after the upload process is done, you can go to asset menu again and refresh it. Here you will find your ROI, import it. I will change the name as ROI. And to make a layer, just write this code, and this one is for zoom. How many? The scale of zoom. Run it. Okay, here you will find your ROI in the in the layer of Google engines. Okay, that's all from me today. I hope this tutorial can help you in your case to upload or to make your ROI. Thank you very much. See you.